The legend of the alarm clock in Calle della Toletta. In Venice, many strange stories and legends are told. Some have some historical foundation, others are only the result of popular imagination. Among the many, very strange, and disturbing ones, there is the one that tells of the witch's alarm clock, in Calle della Toletta, in the Dorsoduro district. An alarm clock hangs on a yellow house in Calle della Toletta. According to a legend, this alarm clock signaled the time when a witch carried out the bills. When the witch died, the house remained uninhabited and closed for years because no one wanted to live there, and the alarm clock was replaced 3 times over time. Legend has it that, many years ago, a barber, to spite a person, asked the workers who were working on the building to hang an old alarm clock. Then, a few years later, the alarm was removed, and disturbing phenomena began appearing: sounds, visions, unexplained disappearances of objects, small domestic accidents. At this point, the alarm clock was put back in its place, and the phenomena ceased. When the alarm clock was removed many years later, no one believed the legend anymore. The phenomena manifested themselves again, and therefore, it was decided to reposition another alarm clock. Time passed, and, for other restoration works, the object was moved again, thus causing accidents, noises, strange encounters and disappearances to restart. It goes without saying that from that day, it was put back in its place, and never removed. Many thought that, the witch's spirit, does not seem to want to give up on the time of her next spell.